Woo! Back-to-back Galaxy unboxing with the Tab S6 and the A50. Oh, we out here today. So what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I got the Galaxy A50 today. I know this probably taking y'all by surprise because, well, I didn't even mention it. I didn't have any hints of it coming, and nobody even brought it up that they wanted on the channel. It just came, I guess. But yeah. This is our Galaxy A50. This is literally how it came, just out the box. I just got it in the mail from FedEx, and now we gotta go and unbox this thing. I get it straight from the Samsung website. So let's just go ahead and get it. Wait, hold on. We didn't even look around the box, Latrell. What are you doing? So yeah, we're gonna be doing that one thing that YouTubers do all the time, which is unbox stuff. I wouldn't know much about that though. Anyways, we got the new Samsung box design in 2019. This has got to be my favorite design this year. Not just the phone specifically, but like how Samsung just been doing it, you know what I'm saying? Like, look at all these boxes right here. Like, you can see how the S10 5G box is all shiny by the text, and the S10 Plus, the Galaxy Buds, the Galaxy Tab S6. I'm loving this so much. Samsung, keep up this like rainbowy theme that we got going on here, cause I'm most definitely feeling it. But I keep cutting into the box. Hold on, Latrell, we not done yet. I know you really want to get into the phone, but hold up. So we got Samsung Galaxy A50. Yes, I'm gonna be doing like budget and mid-range phone videos again. I said I was going to when the Pixel 3a came out, but like I kind of slacked since then. But now we got the A50 again, and I know about the A10e and all these videos that Tech Ride and Kevin Breeze and everybody been doing videos on. So yeah, we got the Galaxy A50 logo on the left. On the right side, we don't got none. On the bottom, we just got my info, and at the top, we got nothing. I mean, you can scan it with the transparency app, but I don't even know what that is. On the back, we got like what's inside the box and all these warnings and everything that nobody ever cares about or reads. And we got 64 gigs unlocked by Samsung. All right, now we can crack into the box, Latrell. With my good old unboxing knife, that didn't even do that for it. Like, come on, Latrell, you're slacking. You're really slacking now. In case I do forget though, it's called Tac Force, and I got on Amazon, so you should go and check that out. Just go check the description anyways, because it should be there. But let's just go ahead and crack into this thing, and here's our A50. So I never really cared about the Galaxy A series. Wow. Hold on, this is throwing me off. Whoa, I didn't think it would be that shiny. I know it's in a plastic, Latrell, calm down. But man, that looks sexy, man. Like, I'm surprised. I'm pretty sure it's plastic though, because I saw Jerry everything's durability test, and I'm pretty sure he said plastic.
When I first pulled the Samsung A50 out of the box, I thought for sure it had a glass panel on the back. But as we know, razor blades can't hurt glass. This psychedelic back panel is made from plastic. I'm impressed Samsung could pack so much reflective color into this one plastic panel. Now we know the Samsung A50 is entirely scratchable.
So yeah, it's still a cheap phone, but let's go ahead and get into this thing. Man, I'm loving the colors. I'm just looking behind the camera, but still, like, it look crazy. Let's go ahead and get this plastic off of here. And here we go for our Galaxy A50. Oh, the fingerprints on here now is probably on here. It bothers me so much. But wow, man, like, wow, I'm really impressed with this. Like, I'm actually amazed. I saw the S10 5G, or I'm recording with the S10 5G. You can see like the longer camera in here. Well, not really. But I'm recording with the S10 5G like I do with all my videos. And it's colorful on there, but this is like way more colorful. It's like Note 10, like colorfulness. So yeah, let's just go ahead and look around this phone real quick. So we got our little water drop notch here at the top. We got some pretty slim bezels going around here. We got a chin here at the bottom. It reminds me of the S9 and the S8 and the Note 8 and the Note 9. But up here we got our earpiece speaker. On the right side we have our power button and our volume rockers here at the top. On the right side we have a SIM and SD card tray. No Bixby button over here though. On the bottom we got a headphone jack, because that's rare these days. USB Type-C, microphone, and then we got two speakers. On the top we just got another microphone. So alright y'all, let's just go ahead and turn this thing on, and while it's turning on, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the box. It has a nice vibration, man. I didn't expect that. Alright, so vibration is A1, I'm feeling that. So we have our Samsung fast charger here, because Samsung really upped their game this year with these budget and mid-range phones. We have our USB-A to USB-C charger. It seems like way shorter than like the S10 Plus and S10 5G, but I don't know, it is what it is. We got our SIM card ejector tool, and then wait, hold up. Let's look at the bottom of this box right here. You can't forget that there's some at the bottom, because I don't know how many times I forgot. Still more stuff that come with your phone, don't worry. So we have, man, I was waiting to do this all day. We have our user manuals that nobody cares about. What are we gonna do with that? we're gonna throw it to the side. And then that's it inside the box. So let's finish looking around this crazy old thing here. So we have 3 cameras here. That's something you get on a flagship. But you get this on a $350 phone. That's how much this phone cost. It was $350. That's crazy. I honestly can't believe that. So we got 3 cameras here just like you find on the flagship series. So we got the telephoto, we got the wide, and we got the ultra wide. We got a flash here at the bottom with our Samsung logo, and that's pretty much it besides this at the bottom. Just shows the IMEI and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and wow, these buttons are clicky. I just now realized that. These buttons are pretty clicky, man. So I'm gonna go and set this up and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so we are good now. Thanks Bixby for telling me what to do even though I already know. So here's our Galaxy A50. Right off the bat, I know the speakers sound like they kind of suck, but like, what do you expect on a phone that's cheap? So yeah, so far I'm really impressed with this thing, man. Like, the buttons are clicky, the vibration motor is amazing, and we still got some plastic here on the sides. I just didn't take that off yet. But Samsung, so far I feel like you did an amazing job with this phone. I didn't even get to start using it yet. So yeah, first off, let's look at the camera real quick, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick camera test. So I'm gonna go and turn this thing to 16:9. Alright y'all, so I took a few pictures and whoa, my god, my light just fell on me. Okay, hey, anyways, so it actually has a wide and an ultra wide lens, but it doesn't have a telephoto lens. It has a depth sensor. So yeah, sorry about that. But it does have face unlock on here, which I thought was pretty cool. No fingerprint scanner or anything, but face unlock should be good enough for you. Unless you work for the CIA, then you probably want to get a Galaxy S, but I don't know, this is pretty cool. So yeah, y'all, what do y'all think about this phone? Like, I'm super excited. Like, I'm way more excited about this phone than I thought I was gonna be. And I'm feeling this phone like a lot. Like, Samsung, you really did a dope job with this phone. Wasn't really feeling the Galaxy A 2019 that much, but I'm really feeling this A50. So I'm gonna go and get out of here, guys. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and leave me a like. So yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and leave the video a like. And if you really liked it, you already know what to do. Go and subscribe. And stay tuned for more Galaxy A50 videos because I'm really feeling it so far. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. There's a little bit of lag to it, but I mean, it seemed fine so far. And this is the only speaker that actually works. This is only an earpiece. This is not a speaker. And that is what you only get to it. But you do get Samsung Pay, so that's pretty cool. But I'm pretty sure it's only the Samsung Pay with NFC. So yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one, and peace out. Okay, so update here like 5 minutes later. I just found out that this thing has MST for Samsung Pay. So if you listen to this, I'll put it right up next to the microphone. You can hear that, right? That's what makes Samsung Pay work pretty much anywhere, even if they don't support it. That is crazy right there. Samsung, I don't know how you do this. I'm pretty sure that's some expensive technology right there. So Samsung, round of applause. That's dope. But I feel like it should have been a Galaxy S and Note exclusive feature. And I hope it stayed for a while though. I'm really feeling that. That is so crazy to me.